Hi everyone, Mary here, and we've got something brand new. We're so excited to introduce you to it. It is a bologna folder. Look at it. It is big. You're going to want to clear off your counter. You're not going to be able to store it. Now, a bologna folder solves multiple problems. It's going to organize your bologna. It's going to save you more space in the refrigerator and on your shelves wherever you store your bologna. And since there are 1,900 different types of bologna in the whole world, we got to get a handle on this situation. First, you've got to grease this machine. You're going to want to grease this twice a day. Now, first slice of bologna, perfectly placed. See that circle? If it's bigger than that circle, it ain't bologna. So that's the first thing the machine's doing for you. We have it set to thin. So now we know we can organize the bologna. There's one thin stack. Here's another slice of bologna. Let's see. Oh, it's tripped up. Doesn't pass the gauge. That's a thick slice. So now we organize that over here. So the first phase of our bologna folder is organizing the bologna. Now that we have the thin stack, look how gorgeous. Everybody take a second, drink it in. Oh, isn't bologna so good? It's been such a pain up until now though. Now we put it on the folder. Thin slice of bologna, it's folded, it's sort of folded. Maybe, you know what, I've got it on the wrong side. Sorry about that. Here we go. Folded, and now you flip it into, see, it's just a learning curve. It's just don't panic. If this happens at home, this is the learning curve that we all go through. See, there it is. Now you can see, folded beautifully, and then you take it and you stack it. It's just, it takes a minute. There you go. Perfect. Now, take your other slice of thin bologna, put it in the middle. We're going to fold it again. I'm going to show you. Thin slice, folded, and we're folded. There we go. Now, you take that thin slice and stack it with the other. Now, Mare, what's the point? What is the point and what kind of colors does it come in? Well, first let's talk about the colors. So we have it in black and aqua. We have it in tan, taupe, coming soon, beige, grayish. Ooh, that sounds fun. We also have it in puce. That's fresh. Then we have it in bone and a color called yellowish. So can't wait to see that. But also, this just in, we have every single one of them in stock. So if you want to place your order, you still can. Just know that the price is $22.76 and the easy pay, $11.38. So don't miss out. What are you going to use all this folded bologna for? Well, maybe if you're new to charcutes, you know, you're new to the world of dinner on a board, little fancy charcuterie. We call it charcutes in the biz. Here's some folded bologna, little grapes, little pistachio. That's a lovely evening for dinner on a board. Maybe you're going to have some adult tea parties, right? We do that at my house. Fill up that teapot with whatever you want. Nobody can see it. And then you get these little fancy bologna sandwiches that you can serve to your friends. Then the kids are headed to school. You want to make a big old American bologna sandwich. You got mustard, bologna, this might be cheese, and some thick old slices of white bread. Now, listen, we got to lighten up for spring. Let's make a bologna salad. There's no bologna about the freshness of this salad. Look how good that is. Keep the dressing on the side, add it to the top, whatever you want. Just to check again, yeah, we still have them all in stock. Go ahead and finish your order. I'm going to get ready for the next go round. Bologna's back, y'all. It's a big day at the Q.